Thank goodness we got the Thousand Trails membership. I don't know what we would do without it. So many state parks are closing down, including the ones in California, New Mexico, Florida. People are getting kicked out. But let me tell you, the Thousand Trails is doing a wonderful job for its members. Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips. Tell you, with everything that's going on as far as avoiding becoming sick, your best bet is to stay put where you are. And I am so grateful that we actually have joined the Thousand Trails membership. They have gone far beyond, out of their way to make sure that their people are safe. So from what I understand, all of the Thousand Trails are doing this. We are staying at Soledad, and we were originally scheduled just for a couple of weeks here. And I asked them if we could extend our stay because of the virus situation, and I would rather stay put. Now here in Soledad Canyon, the area like Palmdale and Acton, California, there are no cases of the virus, so that's good. So we want to stay put here. It's because it's a small community isolated up in the mountains, so it's a good place to stay. So they rearranged everything, and you know, normally with the Elite Basic, you can stay in a place for 21 days and you can extend a week for $29. Well, and then you got to be gone for a week before you could come back. Well, they are allowing us to stay that extra week totally free, and we don't have to be out of this park for a week. So they are allowing us to stay here continuously from, when did we arrive here? We arrived March 13, and they're going to allow us to stay until May 1st, no extra charge, totally free. So we got our full hookup. The weather's not bad. We get rain and that here and there, but overall the weather is pretty fair. And they gave us a little care package, which was really nice. A couple of bottles of water, small bottles, but this is worth its weight in gold. Toilet paper and some handy wipes, wet wipes. So anyway, so they were giving that out. So I am so thankful that I joined Thousand Trails. Of course, we never thought a situation like this would ever occur. And here we are. And now we can stay put. Gosh, I mean, that's a long time. That is, what, 6 weeks, a month and a half? Pretty darn good, I'd say. Hey, you know what? My hat goes off, if I had my hat on. My hat goes off to the folks at Thousand Trails and Equity Life for everything that they're doing for their members. So if you are at a Thousand Trails park somewhere in the U.S., yes, it's the Thousand Trails. I don't know what they're doing with the Encores. So you could look into staying put for a month or more where you're at right now. All you have to do is ask the manager there if you can stay longer. And like I said, if they have the space available, they will do it. This is their policy throughout the Thousand Trails system. So wonderful. Thank you so much, Thousand Trails. If you're not a member, you should join. Who knows what the future holds? It's great. I have spent most of our time in the Thousand Trails system versus being out of the system. I'd say we're in the system more than 90% of the time, which saves us a fortune. And then in a time of crisis, They bend over backwards for you. So, thank you, 1,000 Trails. So this was just a quick, short video just to say thank you for the folks at 1,000 Trails. All of us members appreciate you. So until next time, happy camping. Bye.
Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.